So we're going to make our spinach and ricotta dip now. So a few basic ingredients. We've got our spinach leaves.
Yes. Chop those in.
And a bit of red onion. Now we've got some Greek yogurt, nice high protein, high in calcium as well. So this dip is going to be 100 calories per serve, and some ricotta cheese. Oops. And last of all, we've got a combination here of some olive oil, some lime juice, some garlic, and a little bit of fresh chili as well. So if you don't like spice, just omit the chili. And we're just going to blend this up.
Ready to go.
So how'd the ricotta and spinach dip come
Absolutely
up?
great. A really nice, easy consistency.
Fantastic. Yum. So this one's a great source of fibre, protein and calcium as well, and just 100 calories.